1, 2, 3.
Hello again. This old song, The Rare Old Mountain Dew, dates from the late 19th century, and it's about making the poitín, the Mountain Dew. Now the song is comprised of an intro and a verse and a chorus, the chorus sung in a lilting style. Now for the intro, we pick out the notes of the first couple of lines of the song. And it's very basic, and I'll include the tabs for the intro in the resources section. So the song is in the key of D, so we're playing the intro then using the notes from the D major scale. That's the intro, and then we're straight into the verse. The chords in the key of D, as I said, and the chords are D major and the G major. Sometimes I play the G major with it's a fuller sound when I fret 4 strings. We can just fret the 3 strings as usual, same thing. And we've got A major, and then the minor chord is B minor, the song is in 4/4 time, so we count 4 beats to the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hitting 4 down strums there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The basic strum pattern that I'm using is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3. And on the 4th down strum I follow it with an up strum. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll run through the 4 chords now using that strum pattern. D, G, 3, 4, A, minor, back to D. Now the tempo of the song is quite fast, so I will include a slower tempo practice file in the resources as well.
1, 2, 3.